Hello everyone. Now I'm going to examine about my Fullstack group project. It is a beneficial college idea. I'm going to make a student portal with the help of the knowledge that I have gained. The reason behind this is to make college management to store the data of every student who are graduated from their college. This is to provide a solution to the traditional method of storing details. Yeah, let us take an example. That is, when the management of a college is requested by their graduates to get their academic information, and then the management tries to refer the student details from the bunch of files. Some might be present and others not. So there might be a loss of data. So we found a solution with the help of technologies like web technologies and the Node.js framework and Express.js, which are all these things acts as an backend. And the most important thing that I had a lot of importance was the database. And I make use of a Google File Store. This project is mainly for only for the storing of details of graduates. Okay, let us come to my code. Uh, First of all, we go through the output. Okay, let's go on. First of all, we have to install all the packages that are required, and the packages that I want is Express, EJS, Body Parser, Firebase Admin, Password Hash, and I have installed all these things. And now I have to run or execute this server.js file, and I was executing. Yeah, it has come as server started. Okay, now let me go through the local host 3000. So this is my home page, and if you go through my code, and I have make use of CSS HTML to get this home page ready, and from them I navigated to my register forms, and I have two register forms. One is faculty register form and another one is student ones, and the students get registered into the particular website that I have made, and even the faculty, and they again redirect into the login pages of their respective portals. And finally we get the faculty portal and also the student portal, and all these things were made with the help of Firebase and EJS. These all done with EJS things. Okay, and when coming to server.js, I have make use of this Express and EJS body parser and all the other things that I want, and I have taken an array of constant student data, and with the help of it, and I collected the data from the students using the registration form, and from that I just get them into the server and make use of the details from the server and store them in my database, and also to display to each and every faculty who wants to see, and not only faculty and also to a student. So this is for student, and so I have made the two collections in my Firebase. There are student and faculty. Did you see? These are I have given three samples of faculty names with all these details. These are the details which I have taken from the registration form, and this is of student. This is from the student registration form. Okay, we have this whole Firebase acts as a storage or something like database for me. This is very important thing in my project. And I okay, let us come to this. First of all, we need to register. Okay, in the faculty registration, we have okay. Let's go with the student registration form, because every the student make use of this a lot. Give me some details like. Okay, Bharat, and his email address is Bharat. Sorry. Mm, and with the registration form 567, just have some numbers and do not worry for giving all those things because it's just a sample. Year of joining is 2022 and 2026. And his phone number is 2345678432. And his other number 20987610157 and his door number give some random number and street number as George Street. District is Krishna and this is of Andhra Pradesh. Let us choose a file, anything from your folders, because this is not a mandatory one. It's just a sample. So let me select one. Okay. Now click on submit. It directs to the login page. And just log in with the same thing, that is bharat@gmail.com. Did you refer to this? Whatever the data that I have entered into the registration form, they just get into the data my server, and meanwhile they are also stored in my database. Okay, let's go and check for the name which we have filled now. Yeah, this is the thing which we have filled now. Okay, let's go back to our one. And did you see this here? The password is get hashed, and we provide a security to our to our website. And to get the password, you just get from this 567. Okay. Yeah. Hi everyone. Now I'm going to examine about my full stack group project, and it's a beneficial college idea. I'm going to make a student portal with the help of the knowledge that I have gained. The reason behind this is to make the college management to store the data of every student who graduated from their college. This is to provide a solution to the traditional method of storing details. Yeah, let us take an example. That is, when the management of a college is requested by their graduates to get their academic information, and then the management tries to refer the student details from the bunch of files. Some might be present and others not. So there might be a loss of data. So we found a solution with the help of technologies like web technologies, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and many other like the Node.js and Express.js. And one of the most important thing that I had a lot of importance was the database. We make use of a Google File Store. So let us come to my project code. This is the project, and my homepage was made with the help of HTML, and I have it two registration forms. One is student and one is faculty, and I also have two login pages for both the student and faculty, and also the EJS files for the two portals. And finally, I have server.js file. So first of all, let us come to my output. Okay, I have installed all the packages that I want. Those are Express, EJS, Firebase, admin, body parser, password hash. And now I was executing this my server code. Yeah, server started, and now my port is 3000, so localhost 3000 is the one. See, this is my home page, and these are for the registration forms, and this is for the logins. Okay, first of all, coming to the student registration, and give some names, like for example, let us take a name called Bharat, and with email bharat at the rate gmail.com, and with registration number, something in random 567. Okay, and let us think he's an IT person, and section C with the year of joining 2022, and 2026 is his year of graduation, and something like phone number 35678 432. Okay, and with other number 2098 7610 1579. All these numbers are the numbers that I have taken in random. Also with the door number, and street as George Street, and district as something like Krishna, and state as Andhra Pradesh. And choose some file in random. I have taken this, and just submit your form. Yeah, you get redirected into the login page, and try to log in with the same name that you have registered in the previous page, and also with the password. Let us see this. Whatever the details a particular student have entered into their registration form has come to our server, and this is done with the help of the code which was written in the server.js, and also get with the collections. And I have made it two collections, like so. Let us come to my code server.js. Okay. This I have installed all the packages that I want, and also rendered register forms and login forms. And these are the things which I have taken from the user from the registration form, and stored them in the collection called faculty, or collection called a student. Okay. So whatever the details that I have given in the registration form, they just get into the database, like file store, sorry, Firebase, and also get into the my server. Okay, and just enter the details things to get to log in into the page. The password is 567, and in my database, this, let us search the Bharat name. Yeah, this is the one. And here, did you see the registration number? This has been encrypted. This is because we have make use of password hash. And okay, submit the form. See, you get whatever the details you have retrieved from the registration form. Okay, this is the student portal. They get known with their details when they got registered into the particular website, especially this website. Okay, now let us go back. We can directly click on that page. Okay, now let us go with the faculty one. The thing is, I have already taken a faculty one, and I have entered few details, something like first Anand at the rate gmail.com. Okay, this is my first one, first collection, and just log in with this details. Okay, this is like Anand at the rate gmail.com, and the password I have entered. I will get into this page. This a faculty can see details of any student of any branch. So when you click on this particular branches, year wise branches, you're going to get these details, like name of the students. The teacher can get the details of a particular student with the help of a name, and go on submitting on it. Okay, yeah. In this way, we get the data into the even into the faculty portal. Okay, this is my project which I have done, and I can get into my home page. I have made use of all these technologies and for each and EJS. Okay, in this way I have made my project. Okay, thank you.